Yeah, so there's a bunch of tools out there that exist that you need to leverage. I'll give you a couple examples in terms of SEO and also how you're doing on search engine. You can use paid tools like SEMrush or Ahref. These are great tools because they can analyze your website and see if there's anything going wrong with it. In terms of a couple things, like lots of metrics, like it could be page speed, it could be like 4 or 4 pages, redirects. So you gotta pay attention to these things, but these tools can be actually complicated. As developer, we understand these tools, so we can really navigate through them and use them as it's best to optimize your website. In terms of page speed, there's a bunch of tools out there. Google Page Speed, one of the most popular one. Tricks, Pingdom. We often use these tools to actually optimize because it tells us exactly what's wrong. Even if we can tell sometimes just by looking at a website, these tools provide a bit more insight so we can really fix the root cause of the problem for a page speed issue. One thing that people sometimes overlooked is, let's say they'll get their website redesigned. So let's say you have a website, performs quite good on as per your criteria, so it does really good, but it's due for a redesign because the style is outdated, etc. So you go ahead, you do the redesign and everything, but you don't pay attention of the content, how it's been managed on the new redesign. So that can impact your SEO, meaning if your page changed, your URL are changing and it's not managed properly, that can really impact you negatively down the road. So it's really important to have your developer with you looking at these things, looking at, hey, did we do the redirect if we change the pages? What are our top, ranking page? Did we modify them so much that it might penalize us? Should we make sure we have the proper keywords, etc.? So that's very important. And after you launch a website and a redesign, you want to also reuse these tools to make sure everything was done properly.